Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Eka Wulandari Agustin. I'm from TBI semester 5. In this video, I will share my reflection about the material genre-based approach or GBA presented by Group 5. The genre-based approach or GBA is a teaching method that helps students develop literacy skills by analyzing how different types of text are structured and used for different purposes. GBA focuses on teaching writing in a social context. It helps students learn how to use language patterns to create coherent and purposeful prose. The advantage of genre-based approach in English teaching. The first is improvement of writing skill. GBA has been proven effective in improving students' writing skills. The second is can understand text structure. GBA helps students understand the structure and linguistic features typical of various genres. The third is increasing student engagement. GBA also contributes to increase student engagement in the learning process. The fourth is critical thinking development. GBA encourages the development of critical thinking among students. And the next is increase student self-confidence. GBA also contributes to increasing students' confidence in communicating using English. Learning stage of genre-based approach. This approach has several stages designed to help students understand and produce text better. Here are the main stages in GBA. The first is building knowledge of the field, BKOF. At this stage, the teachers invite students to discuss the context and content of the text to be studied. The aims is to build students' prior knowledge about the theme to be discussed. The second is modeling of the text or MOT. Here the teacher shows examples of relevant text. Students are invited to analyze the structure and features of the text so that they can understand the important elements that must be present in the text they create. Joint construction of the text or JCOT. At this stage, students work together in groups to create the text. This provides an appropriate opportunity for students to collaborate and apply the knowledge they have learned from the previous stage. Independent construction of the text or ICOT. In the final stage, students are asked to write the text independently. This aims to evaluate students' individual abilities in applying everything they have learned during the learning process. The role of the teacher in genre-based approach learning. The first is teacher's role as a facilitator. The teacher functions as a facilitator who helps students understand the characteristics and structure of various text genres. Development of writing skills. Teachers are expected to direct students through the stage of learning, starting from building the field, modeling of the text, to independent construction. At each of this stage, teachers provide the necessary supports so that students are able to produce texts that are appropriate to genre being studied. Literacy skill development. In GBA, teachers not only focus on teaching grammar but also on developing students' literacy skills. Challenges in implementation. While GBA offers many benefits, there are challenges in its implementation. Some teachers may have difficulty in understanding and implementing all stages of GBA effectively. Some teachers still feel less confident in teaching different genres of writing. For the conclusion, genre-based approach or GBA contributes positively to the improvement of students' writing skills in the context of English language learning. TBI is effective in helping students understand the structure, purpose, and social context of different types of text. By focusing on genre understanding, TBA not only improves the technical aspect of students' writing but also strengthens their ability to communicate effectively in context. The approach also encourages collaborative learning that involves the teacher's active role as a facilitator and increases student engagement and interest. This collaboration builds student confidence in writing and develops. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.